It's been nothing short of a black swan event when it comes to the hospitality sector. But despite the news of the curfew as well as international travel restrictions, looks like things are looking very promising for the hospitality sector. We had a word with none other than Puneet Chhatwal, who is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer at Indian Hotels, which runs the Taj brands of hotels, and he sounded a very optimistic note. He said that Indian Hotels is in fact running all their outlets at over 90% occupancy domestically. Here he's referring, of course, to the leisure side of the business, which has done very well. In fact, he says that after things have been hit very adversely, things definitely have seen a major turnaround as people want to get out, step out, move from the confines of their homes and actually travel. Domestic leisure travel, in fact, he says, is as good as the pre-COVID levels, and they say that they are running all their outlets at 90% capacity domestically. In fact, while November saw a 30% growth on a month-on-month basis, meaning compared to October, December, he believes, is going to be similar. In terms of the cities that people are traveling to, Coorg, Kerala, Rajasthan, Shimla and Rishikesh are doing much better than expected. And in fact, Mr. Chhatwal said that the palace and resort business as well is seeing very steady occupancy. But on the other hand, corporate business travel, that's not picking up as fast. But he did go ahead and say that the room revenue in the leisure business is doing very well, but it's MICE as well as the weddings which have not picked up just as swiftly, and that's largely on account of the COVID-related restrictions. While talking about the international business, he says that he is cautiously optimistic that international travel as well is going to pick up by the end of January, and he believes that international markets rely a lot more on tourism, a lot more mature markets rely more on tourism, and hence we'll see a pickup. In fact, they have a very strong portfolio domestically as well as internationally. They say that they have the strongest pipeline of hotels with 45 hotels currently in the pipeline and 10 bungalows under the Amma brand. And they have opened new hotels in existing locations as well as in new locations, and their expansion continues to remain rather unabated. The Ginger portfolio as well is doing very well according to Mr. Chhatwal, who says they have a portfolio of about 75 hotels and the brand continues to go strong. In fact, Mr. Chhatwal says that Indian Hotels has taken a 51% variable cost reduction during the pandemic, and he believes that this pandemic has been an opportunity for the entire industry to really reset their overall cost base. In fact, going forward, he believes that Indian Hotels is going to become more lean, more efficient, and take advantage of digital technology. While December has been quite phenomenal for the company when it comes to the leisure side of the business domestically, he believes that even going forward, they are seeing green shoots of recovery, and 2021 is going to be a promising year.